Hello everybody! Today we're gonna talk skincare. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mimi and I make videos every single Sunday. Sometimes I'm a little bit late, to be honest. I have been a little bit late in the past couple of weeks, but basically every week you're gonna get a new video from me. So if you want to become a part of this awesome family that we have here, make sure to subscribe down below and click on the notification bell so you will get an info whenever I upload a new video. Alright, so let's get started. Today we're gonna make 3 easy DIY face scrubs that you can actually also use for your body. Exfoliating your skin will help remove dead skin cells, lifting away dirt and excess oils, as well as helping with circulation. For normal skin, it's recommended to exfoliate like 2 or 3 times a week. If you have more sensitive skin, maybe stick with 1 time a week. Noah, shut up, I'm filming. If you hear someone meowing, that is my cat outside the door. Now the face masks and scrubs and creams and all of these little things you can buy in the store are usually loaded with very nasty chemicals. And our skin is actually our biggest organ, so we should really pay attention what we put on it. Now for these easy recipes that I'm going to show you, we're actually only going to need 2 or 3 ingredients per scrub, and you'll probably find them already in your kitchen. Also, I recommend to use just organic ingredients for these face scrubs because again, you're going to put them on your skin and it's going to be absorbed. It's good to know that your ingredients are organic and healthy. The coffee scrub. I am definitely a passionate coffee drinker, but have you ever thought of putting it on your face? Coffee grounds are loaded with antioxidants and are a natural exfoliator to get rid of all the dead skin cells. Now, coconut oil is definitely one of my favorite multi-purpose miracle ingredients. It is antibacterial, has healing properties and is very moisturizing. Now for this recipe, you'll need 1/4 cup of organic coffee ground and 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. This is definitely my personal favorite DIY face mask because it's gonna leave your skin really soft and glowy, and also the coffee will even out your complexion, and it also helps with dark circles around the eyes. Oatmeal and honey scrub. You can not only eat it for breakfast, you can put it on your face. If you have dry or acne prone skin, this oatmeal honey scrub is perfect for you. Oatmeal gently exfoliates and has anti-inflammatory properties. And honey is antibacterial and really nurtures the skin. Honey is particularly suitable for sensitive skin. For this one, you'll need 1/4 cup of oatmeal and 2 tablespoons of honey. And I additionally add 1 or 2 drops of tea tree oil for some extra anti-pimple action. Now I'll admit this one is probably the messiest one out of all the 3, but it will leave your skin very soft and actually quite matte, which I really like. Sugar and olive oil scrub. Now this sugar and olive oil scrub will make your skin glow. Sugar gently exfoliates the skin, and the olive oil contains natural antioxidant properties that will protect your skin, and it is extremely moisturizing. For this one, take 1/4 cup of sugar and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I really love this face scrub because it does leave my skin really soft and glowy. And that was it. You see, it's actually really easy. You don't need a lot of ingredients. You can whip it up quickly at home in your kitchen and you actually know what's going on your face. So that is a really good feeling. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment down below and let me know what kind of DIY videos you would be interested in, because I'm actually enjoying making them. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you next week with another video, and until then, don't forget to be grateful, be happy and be kind. Bye.